In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pandadoc signatures. We're going to walk through the basic flow of adding a signature to a document, customizing it, and then getting it ready to send out. Even if you're brand new to Pandadoc, by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable adding legally binding signatures to any document you're working on. First, start by opening the document where you want to add a signature. This could be a contract, a proposal, or any form that needs to be signed. Make sure you're in the Document Editor view, where you can see the content and the Tools or Fields panel. Take a moment to scroll through the document and decide exactly where the signature should go, typically near the end, above the signer's name or title. Next, look for the signature field in your Fields or Content panel. Once you find it, click and drag that signature field onto the document. Drop it exactly where the signer needs to sign. You can adjust its position by dragging it around until it lines up neatly with any labels or lines you already have in the document. If the signature area looks too big or too small, you can usually resize it by clicking and dragging from the corners. After placing the signature field, double-click on it. This opens up the options for that specific field. Here, you can confirm which recipient this signature belongs to, which is especially important when you have multiple people signing the same document. Make sure it's assigned to the correct person so they see it on their end. Now it's time to choose how the signature will look. You'll see options to draw, type, or upload a signature. Draw lets you sign using your mouse or trackpad, giving a handwritten look. Type allows you to enter your name and use a styled font as your signature. Upload is useful if you already have a scanned image of your signature that you prefer to use. Once you've chosen the option that feels right and you're happy with how it looks, click, accept, and sign. This will apply the signature to the field you created. Finally, when everything in the document looks good and all the required signature fields are in place, go to the top of the screen and click Review and Send. This is your chance to quickly double-check the document, verify recipients, and then send it out for signing. Once you've done that, your document is officially on its way with the signature set up correctly.